to bring wealth, health, opportunities.
Hello everyone, my name is Megha Goyal. I welcome you all on my channel. My channel Divine Souls talk about this solution of your life. Adding to the wealth crystals, today I will be showing you how to make a wealth crystal grid. For this, you will be needing 7 coins. You will be needing 7 citrine stones, 1 pyrite, 1 tiger's eye, 1 malachite. You will be needing 3 green aventurine, 3 jade, 1 rose quartz, and you will be needing 4 to 5 clear quartz crystal. And you will be needing 1 generating crystal. Generating crystal is where you generate the energy. So I am using clear quartz wand here to connect the energies of the crystals. So first of all, what I have taken this grid from the Google. So you can also take a printout of any grid from the Google, and this grid what I am using, I will post the link in the description so you can even download the same grid. So after taking the printout, I have just cut down into this shape. Now starting, what you have to do first you have to clean the crystals. So how to clean the crystals? While keeping them under the sunlight for 30 minutes or under the moonlight for 30 minutes. There are many other ways for cleansing the crystal: by keeping into the salt, by cleaning them by showing the smoke. So first of all, you will clean the crystals. I have already done that. After cleaning the crystals, after cleaning your stone, we will be reprogramming and commanding. So how we will be commanding our crystal, that I will be showing you. So this is the wealth grid where I want wealth, abundance, prosperity, everything in my life, in my family. So first I will be taking the coins. So I will be keeping coins in my non-dominant hand, and with dominant hand I will cover my coins, and I command each coin to bring wealth, money in my life. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. So first you will keep 1 coin in a center, then you will be keeping all the coins around the inner circle. So now on the center coin, you will be keeping a pyrite crystal. Pyrite crystal is a fool's gold that attract wealth in your life. Again, we will be commanding this crystal. So keeping on my left palm, covering with right, I command my pyrite crystal to bring wealth in my family. So now I will be putting this pyrite on the center of the coin, above the center of the coin. So again, your intention is all focused that all the money, all wealth, abundance, prosperity is coming into your life. Moving forward, now we will be taking our citrine in our hand, citrine crystal, and we will be programming them. I command all the citrine to bring confidence, to bring money in my life. So I will be keeping 1 citrine in between the coins. So any shape you can take, it can be a tumble, it can be a raw. So I'm using all kind of crystals of shape, like I'm using tumble, I'm using raw, to just show you that shape doesn't matter. So you can take any form of shape for your crystals. Next, I will be moving now with my jade. and with my green aventurine. So green is the color, green jade and green aventurine is the color of your money. So holding my first in green aventurine in my hand, okay, so I can cover both together, and jade together, I am commanding my crystals. I command my green jade and green aventurine to bring money into my life. 808 808 808 520 520 520 741 741 741. So what I did, these are the frequency of money numbers. I have chanted these numbers on my crystal. Even I have this crystal that is engraved with the frequency of money. So I am keeping 1 1 on the outer layer of your grid. So first I am keeping, it can be anything. I am keeping aventurine, then I am keeping jade, then I am keeping aventurine, then I am keeping jade, then I am keeping aventurine, and I am keeping jade. Now what will we do? We will be needing concentration in our work. Whatever work we do, we want concentration, we want focus. So I am programming my tiger's eye now. I program my tiger's eye crystal to bring focus, concentration, opportunities in my life, in my business. So I'm keeping one tiger's eye on between green aventurine and green jade. So you can keep it anywhere. So I'm keeping tiger's eye on the upper side. Next, I am using malachite. Malachite is the crystal for health. So of course I need health with money. So yes, I am programming my malachite crystals to bring health in my life, to keep me healthy, fit and fine. So what you have to do now, you have to place this malachite crystal opposite to your tiger's eye crystal. Now what I want love also. I want love with money. जहाँ से भी money मेरे पास आए, I want love also coming from my opponent party. So I will be programming my rose quartz crystal. I program my rose quartz crystal to bring love, peace, harmony with my opponents, with my opponent party. Whoever will come to me will come with love, with peace, with respect, with harmony towards me. So I am keeping one rose quartz crystal in the center of, again, aventurine and jade. Now what I need my clear quartz crystal. What clear quartz crystal will do? Clear quartz means clarity of mind, clarity of roads, so that कोई blockage नहीं रहे आपके roads पे. आपकी तरफ पैसा जो आ रहा है, आपकी तरफ जो अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रही है, उसमें कोई भी ब्लॉकेज नहीं रहे, क्लियर रहे, क्लैरिटी रहे. So I will be programming my clear quartz crystal, and with the same way I program my clear quartz crystal to bring lot of clarity in my mind, to clear my all the roadblocks, to clear my way, to bring money, love, wealth, prosperity, abundance, health, wealth in my life. So now I will be placing one clear quartz on the outer layer of my grid. Now what I will be doing, I will be taking this generating pen. So this pen, you can see it's a pen that have a tip, pointed tip upwards. Yeah, so what I will do, I will connect all the crystals outward to inward, because I want बाहर से, आउटवर्ड से, अंदर की तरफ मेरे पास पैसा आए. आई वॉन्ट बाहर से मेरे पास पैसा आए, ओपोनेंट से मेरे पास पैसा आए. आई वॉन्ट मेरे क्लाइंट्स मेरे पास आए, पैसा लेके आए. सो आई विल बी joining from outer crystal to the inner crystal. So from outer crystal I will be drawing a straight line to the pyrite. So I am just joining the dots. First I will be joining the dots outer circle. So I am making the outer circle connection with each crystal. So yes, I am going clockwise with intention that I am a money magnet. I attract opportunities in my life that brings health, wealth, love, money, prosperity, abundance. So I am now coming inside my circle. Slowly, slowly, I am moving inside my inside circle and connecting all the crystals together to bring love, health, wealth, prosperity, abundance, finances into my life, into my work. I want love, wealth, prosperity, abundance, finances in my work. Now we will be connecting every crystal inside the pyrite. I am a money magnet. 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 So I have completed and I have joined all the crystals together to work with higher vibrations, to work with higher frequencies, to bring health, wealth, love, peace, money, prosperity into my life. We have energized our crystal grid. It is ready. Now, what you have to do, where you have to make. So you have to sit and make this crystal on your north area of your home. So north zone is the zone of Kuber. North zone is the zone in Vastu related to your money, Kubera जिसको हम बोलते हैं. So we will be keeping this crystal grid in our north zone. Make sure after making this crystal grid, leave this crystal grid until full moon. So again on full moon, keep your crystals out for energizing, and again you will use the same grid. You will be reprogramming your crystals and you will be again setting your grid. So every day to give it the energy, so that your crystal grid vibrate on the higher frequency. What you can do, you can light agarbatti, incense stick. Even if you want, you can light a candle. If you can't light a candle on a daily basis, then make sure that you take a incense stick and just show the smoke of the incense sticks every day, just to energize your crystal and to vibrate them into the higher frequency. This thing you have to do on daily basis. After having a bath, after doing your puja, you can do this. Wow, I am feeling, right now I am feeling like that I am vibrating on the frequency of money. I am vibrating on the frequency of finances, wealth, abundance. It is giving me such a beautiful energies. I can feel the energies coming out and going inside me. It's such a beautiful grid that you all can do easily at your home. If any doubt related to this grid, you can ask in the comment section below. If you want to buy these crystals, you can contact me on my given number 9953917999. If you want any crystal, you can write down in the comment section and you can buy from me. It's easily available with me. And like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Megha Goyal. I'm an astrologer, numerologist, past life therapist, Vastu and Feng Shui expert, tarot reader, psychic healer, and a life coach. Angels love for everyone. Atma Namaste.